Hey guys, our summer hair prayers have been answered. Let's get into this deep curly unit from LuvMe Hair. Alright guys, so I told you it was going to be a part 2, so if you have not seen the review of this pixie cut unit from LuvMe Hair, make sure to check it out. But now we are going to get into this second unit that came in the box. So let me just show you what it looks like. Now this is going to be a curly unit, so I will have to co-wash this one. You all know that I do not like wet hair on my head. So I just wanted to come in and show you what this unit looks like just straight out of the box, the construction and all of that before I co-wash it. But yes. So of course we have a letter from the founder, Helena. Love me for you, born for you, existing for you. Unbox the love and shine bright. Also in the box we have a pack of HD wig caps, a wig box label, a little flyer here of how to unlock some exclusive gifts, and the thank you letter with the wig care tips, how to care for the hair, return policies, and all of this good stuff. So here is the unit. Let me take it out of the netting and the paper so you can get a better look. And of course, to wash and condition this unit, I'm going to use the LuvMe Hair Renewal System. As I will link a video down below of how I wash and condition my units. But this unit does come with a elastic band to put on the inside of the unit. And let's just take a look here. So the lace is pre-cut, the knots are bleached already, hairline pre-plucked. This is a middle part unit, and we have 2 combs in the front, we have 1 in the back, we have the adjustable straps, and of course that elastic band that I just showed you. Now this is one of those breathable caps. So you can stick your fingers right through the cap to get to an itch or whatever the case may be. So this is going to be a closure unit. It comes with a middle part. However, you're able to free part it whichever way you would like. Left side, right side, C-shaped parts, whatever part that you would like. So here is what the unit is going to look like. Now I did get a 10-inch in this unit. But let me go ahead and provide you the specs while I have you. So this is LuvMe Hair's warm caramel brown glueless 5x5 closure pre-cut lace, and it comes in 10 inches or 12 inches. I opted for the 10-inch length. It can either come in a regular cap or an all-day comfort cap, and you know those all-day comfort caps have like the hooks there in the back, kind of like a bra strap. But this one just has the regular cap. So for 10 inches, and they're actually sold out of the regular cap size, the regular cap, but for the all-day comfort cap, it's $123.93. But of course, I have a promo code SNH28, gets you 28% off. This unit or any other unit you decide to purchase from LuvMe Hair. So it's 150% density. It is a glueless unit. It is 100% human hair, medium cap size, a pre-cut lace, pre-bleached. The color is a medium highlight. So I don't know if you can really see there we go. There's the highlights. It's like a brown color and then kind of like a copper color highlight. So this can be, it comes as a middle part, it can be a side part, C-shaped parts, 5x5 closure, regular lace. Yeah, so that is the specs of this unit. So I did just want to jump in here really quickly, just show you everything that came in the box, show you what the unit looked like straight out of the box, the construction, the specs, all of that. Now I'm gonna go co-wash this and then we'll come back for the install. Just in case you were wondering, this is what the unit looks like, completely saturated. And actually before I defined the curls on this unit. So if you like that wet look, this is it. All right, so it is the next day and I did go ahead and wash this unit. So here it is, and look at those curls. Oh my goodness. Absolutely gorgeous. So I want to show you like what I use to define the curls on this unit, and then we'll go ahead and install. So first and foremost, if you do not have your hands on LuvMe Hair's renewal system, the shampoo and conditioner, you are missing out. These should be staples in your home right now. If you have any kind of unit, human hair, make sure to pick these up on LuvMe Hair's website. So this one is the shampoo and this one is the conditioner. So I just shampoo, wet the unit down completely, fully saturated, then apply some of the shampoo, run my fingers through it, get it saturated, get it lathered, and rinse. Then I apply a little bit of this conditioner, just run it through the unit, let it sit for maybe 5 or so minutes, and then rinse it. Now to define the curls on this unit, usually I use a lot of body, but I do not have any of that foam on me. So I use this LuvMe hair. It is the Wig Renewal Curl Mousse. And this actually worked out really, really well. The curls are soft. They are not stiff at all. I just absolutely love the results of these 3 products. So here it is. Let's go ahead and install. I'm going to do a voiceover and then I'm going to come back to provide you all my pros and cons. All right, so first things first, I need to install the elastic band. I'm pushing the hook through the loop on both sides of the unit. Super easy to install. Now this is optional, but it does add some extra security to the unit. I'm going to start by placing that elastic band around the back of my head, and then I'm going to pull the unit down and place that back comb in the back of my hair. And I'm going to turn around and just adjust the unit in the front. Now I'm not going to install those front combs, but I am trying to adjust those ear tabs. This unit does have traditional ear tabs, and usually that's hit or miss for me. Now with this one, it does not fall around my ears, so I'm going to have to pull that unit up just to make everything nice and comfortable, but still very, very secure. And this is what the unit looks like on. Now this unit is fitting me just a little bit big, so I will have to spray this unit down. I'm going to use some Sebastian hair shaper spray, and this is the plus, so it's like a regular hold. I ran out of the light holding spray, so I'm just spraying that right there on the lace, on my hairline, just a nice thin layer. And then I'm going to take an elastic band. And this is one that I already had. The unit did not come with one. So I'm attaching that Velcro in the back and then pulling it up and letting it rest right on top of that lace. I'm going to let it sit for maybe 10 minutes or so, just so that I can melt it into my skin. So after about 10 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and remove that elastic band and move the hairs out of the way. I'm going to use some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color 330, and this is with a flat brush. I am going to brush that powder right into the parting space. Since I do have on a nude wig cap, you can kind of see it, so I wanted to just make that part pop. So now I'm taking some Wet n Wild contouring powder with a brush and just brushing that product right on the lace, on the hairline, just to tint it to my own skin tone. And now just playing with the hair around my face to kind of cover that lace, because you can still kind of see it. But yeah, this is pretty much it. And here is the final look. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around. So front, side, back. Look at these bouncy, beautiful, gorgeous curls. And then side again, and of course the front. All right guys, so that was the install, and here is the final look, and I am completely obsessed. These curls are absolutely gorgeous. The color is amazing. It's like a little sun-kissed brown. It is so pretty. So what do they call it? It is a warm caramel brown, but it is so pretty. I just love like the copper highlights all throughout this unit. So there is no natural black on this unit whatsoever, which I think is perfect for the summertime. It is like a warm, inviting summer day. It's just so pretty. And then the curls on top of that, chef's kiss. Like, we don't have to worry about styling a unit, pulling out the curling iron, or doing any of that. Once you set this unit and define the curls and just let it air dry overnight, you are good to go. All you have to do is just take this unit off at the end of the night, put it on your mannequin head, let it sit, and it's ready for the next day. Once it becomes super frizzy that is not to your liking anymore, just repeat the process. And also, I feel like the more that you wear it, the frizzier it gets, the more natural it's going to look. So obsessed. So this unit, let me pull up the specs again so I can show you everything. So $123 is an absolute steal, plus 28% off with my promo code StephanieNicoleH. Now this is a 5x5 closure, so yes, you can change the part. If you wanted a left side part or a right side part, then you would be able to do that. 150% density. It's a nice amount of hair on this unit. I don't think this unit needs any more hair. It is absolutely perfect. 100% human hair, medium cap size. Let's talk about the cap size really quickly. Now this unit does have the traditional ear tabs. I was not able to put them around my ear because they fall further back than my ear does. Actually, they're back here, my ear right here. So I just pulled the unit up on both sides, so it's not resting on my ear or anything. It is fitting very comfortably. The ear tabs are just not around my ear. I do have that elastic band and the adjustable straps adjusted. I did have to pull it pretty tight because the unit is loose. It is a medium cap size, 22.5 inches, but a little big for my head, which is why I did have to spray it down just to get that lace to lay flat at the front. But once I did all of that, adjusted everything, sprayed it down, this unit is good to go. It's very, very secure. It's not going anywhere. I actually didn't even install the front combs, only the back one here in the back. So I don't have these installed here, and it's still very, very secure. The hair is soft. There was not a lot of shedding with the co-washing process. It's just a look. It is so pretty. This is an absolutely gorgeous unit, and I love the length on this unit. Now this one is 10 inches, so hits me right on my shoulders, barely sweeping my shoulders, which I absolutely love, especially in this St. Louis heat. Like, it is a heat wave going on, I feel like. And yeah, this looks good. It's absolutely perfect. And then we have that breathable cap, sticking my fingers right through it, itching my scalp. Absolute perfection. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unit. It's gorgeous. Get your hands on it. I'll put everything down in the description box below. A link to LuvMe Hair's website, a link to this specific unit. Of course, my promo code SNH28 gives you 28% off. But that's it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, send a friend, and I will see you all in the next video.